Hi guys, welcome to By TV. I'm your embroidering assistant Alan. In this video, we will get you through the process of using the VISION to embroider hat. We will provide the detailed explanation on how to install the hat embroidering attachments and prefer the embroidery process. Every step will be clearly explained, so please follow along carefully. Before we start, we need to prepare some accessories and materials that for hat embroidery. You can see the hat driver, stabilizer, hat hoop, hat station, hats, wrench, and also the iron. First, let's learn how to hoop a hat. Take out the hat station, hat hoop, and the hat you want to embroider. When setting up the hat station, make sure your table is flat to make sure the station can be securely fixed. Before we install the hat station, you can adjust the knob according to your table thickness. And then you can insert the hat station to the table, and then turn the knob. Then firmly attach the table station to the table. Okay. You can give it a slight shake to confirm it's properly secured. Take the hat hoop and release the metal strip first, so that it will not hit your hand in the falling operation. And then you will find this side has a launch, and here there is an arrow. Okay. Now we are going to insert the hat hoop to the station. Okay, match the launch with this side, and then use your two hands to press at the same time. When you hear the click, that'll be okay. If you want to take out the hat hoop, you just need to press the clip here and press them at the same time. And then you can take it out easily. Next, you can cut a small piece of the stabilizer. Here, you can use this kind of tearaway that for hat embroidery, because we needed to make the embroidery on the front. So here, you just make sure it can cover the whole part, right? Okay. Okay. If you want to make the embroidery on the side, we suggest you use a longer stabilizer. Then you can put the stabilizer under the central part. And take the hat you want, and you can turn the sweatband out like this. And then you can place the sweatband under the central part. Next, we need to make some adjustment before we fix the hat. First, you can move the central line to the left, so that when you fix the hat, it can move to the right and finally reach to the center. Then you can clean this sweatband, make sure it can cover the hat hoop. And then you also need to check the back of the hat should be covered the two sticks of the hat hoop. Now, we are going to fix the hat. Here, you also need to pay attention. The string should catch the bottom of the hat very close. Okay, then you can close the clip on the right side. Perfect. If you find it is too difficult to pull back, then you can use a wrench to loose the screw here and make some adjustment. You can, okay. Then you tighten the screw. Now it will be easy for you to pull back. Last step, we can use a clip to clamp the hat. The other side. Okay. Now we can take out the hat. You can press the clip at both sides and then take out. Next, we will install the hand driver. Before we install the driver, we must need to select the size first. You can click size and choose cap 1. This is very important. Click OK. Here you may find the cap hoop now is red color. That means the pattern has already over the limit of the cap hoop. So we need to make some adjustment. So you can click the arrow key to make the position adjustment. Okay, now you can see the cap hook has been green. And we keep to make the adjustment. You can also slow down. Okay, now the pattern is in the center of the cap hoop. Okay, now we can install the cap driver. First, you can loose the screw here. Okay, small. And then keep to loose the screw. Okay. Next, you can rotate the driver and make it in the center and hold the reel. And then you can rotate this part, make it top. And then hold on like this. Next, we will install the cap driver. Here, you need to pay attention. This side with the wheels should be up, and the wheel needed to fit the reel, both sides. Be careful. Here, you need to make sure the 4 wheels need to match the reel, just like this, and then you can push. Now we can fix the cap driver with the guide reel. First, you need to find the right hole, the first hole. Here, you can raise it up. If you find it cannot insert, you can keep to loose the screw and then insert it. Same way on the other side. Then you can use a wrench to fix the screw. Do not tighten well, because we still need to make some adjustment on the other side. Okay, now you can check whether both sides was fixed. Then you can keep it tight. Okay, finished. Now you can install the hat with the driver. You can tilt the hat first so that it can go through the driver. Okay, and then you can turn it. Okay. Then you can push the frame at the same time. And you can double check whether it is fixed. Okay. Now we have finished the installation of the hat. So next, we will make some operation in your control panel. First, you can select a pattern. You can select any pattern you want to embroider on the hat. So here, I still use this pattern, so I just keep it. And then you can click color. You can choose any color you want. So here, I want to select number 13, okay? So you can click number 13. Okay, and click Save. All right. And next is the most important tips. You need to make the trace before you start embroidery. So here, you can click Trace and select normal trace. Okay, click it and click OK. Here, you need to check whether the pattern is in the center according to the trace, and the number 1 needle should be in the center line of the hat. If you find the position is not correct, then you can keep to make the position adjustment by clicking the arrow key. And then you can keep to make the trace again and again until the pattern is in the center of the hat. Okay, now we find the pattern is in the center and everything we have prepared. Okay, so now we can click Ready. Click OK. You will find the light will change from red to green. Okay, now you can click Alright, that's all for today's video on how to make the hat embroidery with Vision. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel and share it. See you next time.